Hi there, this is Ammar from 10 Minute Millionaire. Stick to the video till end for tons of useful info. If you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button now to get useful videos every week. Welcome everyone to my new video on how to make money online without investing a single dime. There are many methods of starting an online business with no money at all. But in this video, we will discuss about three tested, proven, most favorite methods people are making huge money online without investing a dime or without investing any money at all. All you need is your time and the dedication to be successful in these methods. So let us just dive in here. The number one method with which people are making a lot of money online is affiliate marketing. Let me show you the best way and places to start your affiliate marketing business. First and foremost, what is affiliate marketing? In affiliate marketing, you just promote the product of another company or another person to your audiences or to the new people. And when this product sells, you get a commission out of it. The best thing about affiliate marketing is you really don't need to build or own or manufacture a product. It can be a digital or any other product. And second, you don't need to worry about the product quality or the customer support after the product is sold. Thirdly, you really don't need to worry about the storage of the product if it is a physical product. Now, where to find the affiliate products? There are so many platforms, but we will discuss here the top three. Number one is ClickBank. It is just clickbank.com. You go to ClickBank, you make a free account, and you go to the marketplace inside the ClickBank, and you see all of these products here. There are so many categories. In each and every category, you choose your product and then you start marketing it. Suppose here you choose a product in e-business and marketing. You want to market domains. Now here these are the products. You can choose a product which you like and then you start promoting that product. Now with the ClickBank, if you want, this is the number one marketplace and this is one of my favorite. When you choose a product, you need to keep few of the things in your mind. Number one, the price of the product. Don't choose a product which is very expensive so that it gets difficult to sell to the consumer or to your customers. So try to keep the price of the product somewhere in between $15 to $25 or $30. That is the best price people can easily spend. Another thing which you need to keep in mind is the gravity. You see the gravity here. Now gravity for this product is 2.45, which is really not good. You have to look for a product which is having a gravity of 60 to 70 or from 50 to 70 or 80. Now that is the best gravity to choose a product. You can also filter your products here choosing the gravity. You can choose here gravity from 50 to 100 and you will get the products. Now in this category there are no products, but you can filter in such a way and choose a product which has a good gravity and the product is good. And number three, it has the less price, so it gets easy for you to sell. The most important thing which you keep in mind when you are working as an affiliator or you are promoting a product as an affiliate product is that you choose a product which you have an understanding about, or a product which you have already tested and you know the product inside out. Don't try to sell a product which is totally unknown to you and you are totally unfamiliar with, because it gets very difficult for you to understand the product and to sell it if you really don't know anything about it. That's why I recommend you choose a product which is really good and you like the product personally. It is even better if you have already tested that product, then it is a lot easier for you to promote. In another way, choose a product or choose a niche or a category you have passion for it. So if you're passionate about a product or about a category, it will be a lot easier for you to sell and promote that product. Now another amazing platform to choose the affiliate product is JVZoo. In jvzoomarket.com you can make your account, which again is free, and then you choose the products. There are a lot of products here. You go to the category, you choose the products which you want to promote. Once you choose the product, you will have an affiliate link, and then you start promoting that affiliate link in your website, in your blog, in your YouTube channel, or you can do a lot of other marketing, which I will explain in my another video. Another best place to find the products, affiliate products, is warriorplus.com. In warriorplus.com also you will have a lot of products, lot of categories. You just go through, choose a good product, get the affiliate link, register here as affiliates, and then you start promoting it. It's the amazing way. There are a lot of people on internet. There are a lot of people on internet who are making huge income every month from affiliate marketing. All of them are making a full-time living out of affiliate marketing and affiliate business. Second amazing method of making money online is Amazon Kindle ebook. Trust me, there are a lot of people who are making $5,000 to $10,000 monthly from just Kindle ebooks. It is a lot easier to do, and you don't need to worry about marketing the product because Amazon does complete marketing of your Kindle ebooks. All you need to do is go to amazon.com Kindle ebooks, and then you choose a topic. You see here hundreds of thousands of Kindle ebooks which are on the marketplace. People have written these ebooks, and these ebooks are here. You will notice that these ebooks are very cheap, like $2, $2.49, $1.99, $4.99, and there are very few which are with the higher price of $12.99. Now you might think that with this small amount, how can you make a living? Trust me, Amazon is the highest traffic platform selling online in the world. They have millions of visitors every day looking for different products, and the Kindle ebook is one of the best products because it is amazing value content with the best price people can find. So they will not find the books on online anywhere else with this price. That's why you will have a huge number of sales if you choose a good topic and if you write a good Kindle ebook. Now writing a good Kindle ebook is really not difficult. It's very easy writing an Kindle ebook and then uploading it. All you need to do is just to follow the guidelines which Amazon Kindle has for writing a book and then uploading it. You will find the link below this video where you will have complete guidance on writing an amazing Kindle ebook which will make you minimum $5,000 a month if you put your dedication there. Now you can write any number of books. There is no restriction. You can write 5 books, 10 books, 50 books and upload on Kindle. As long as people like your book and they buy, Amazon is happy to have your book on their marketplace. Now the best thing with Amazon, you don't need to market it. Amazon will market your product. All you need to do is write a book, come up with your product, and then upload it. You keep the prices low because you will have n number of customers. You will have many customers if your prices are reasonable. Another good reason to keep your prices low is if your price is low, less than $3, you will have the maximum amount of commission from Amazon, which is 70%. So if your price range is low, you will have 70% of the commissions from Amazon, and they will keep only 30% of the commissions. So write a good Kindle ebook and start uploading it. For more details on how to write an amazing Kindle ebook and how to start your Kindle ebook business, there is a link below in this video where you will have complete detail. Please go check it and you will have the awesome knowledge about it. Start your Kindle ebook business today. Now my third way of making an amazing online income is Amazon Associates. Become an Amazon Associate and then start promoting their products to your audiences or to your customers, and you will have good percentage of commission 24 hours coming into your account every day. All you need to do is come to Amazon affiliate program, and once you're here on Amazon Associates, you join here for free. You really don't need any investment to do this. You make your account, you can earn good handsome commissions from 4% up to 10% on different products. And one of the best thing about Amazon is once you promote one product and that customer clicks on your link and comes to Amazon, and then that customer buys that product which you promoted, and along with that product, if that person buys 10 other products from Amazon, you will get commission from those 10 other products also. Now how awesome is that? The another best thing about all of these business models which I have explained in this video is that all of these business models, they need little time to start and to set up. And once you have the system set up in place, all of these businesses, they will work for you 24 hours round the clock. Even when you are sleeping, your sales are happening, your commissions are coming in. So it is 24 hours, 7 days a week, all 365 days a year, and it is completely passive. You really don't need any investment. All you need is your time and dedication and the platform. You just need to know how to do it. To start all of these businesses and to be successful in these businesses, I have a complete guidance. The link is given below in this video. You click the link and go to the complete guidance and start earning money online today. Start making a difference, have your passive income, and have the life which you are dreaming for. Happy earning, everyone.